Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress as backend with React as frontend, and we're going to go do it very simply with a nice little script I created. Keep in mind that the script needs a couple of things, like for the moment it runs on Linux, on Mac, and it needs the npm, Apache, MySQL and PHP. I haven't tested on Windows actually, but if you have any problems, I will help you, I'll guide you. Just send me a message or something on YouTube and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now the purpose of this demonstration is to show you how easy it is to install WordPress with React and how fast it really is. So let's get started. Let's copy this to install our repository, and let's start our terminal. So I'm going to create a directory. And inside here I'm going to copy the repository. Okay, it should take a couple of minutes, a couple of seconds actually. It's not very big. And now let's run the installation. The script is asking us to create a virtual host we're going to need, so I'm going to create one. And to make sure this doesn't exist, let me run it for a second. Okay, so let's start it. And to enter our password. Okay, it's saying the virtual host is ready. Let's confirm this. And yes, the virtual host is ready. And yes, again, we want to install WordPress and React. Now it's going to ask us about database, if we have one or not, and if we already have a database we can enter the credentials here step by step, or we can create one. And let's create one actually. I'm going to say no. This will create the RSTechDB, yes, with the default credentials, phpMyAdmin and root. You can change this default credentials in the script. You can edit the script and enter your own credentials. And now the WordPress installation is going on, and it should be finished any moment now. Okay, now we can visit our backend of WordPress with username admin and password 123456. So let's just do that. Okay, and 123456, and we're good to go. Now let's see the scripts. It's installing the front end right now, and dependencies, everything it needs. Till then we're gonna have a look. It's actually a normal WordPress installation with a few minor changes. It already had created some pages here for us. Okay, and also the theme. It's a theme that comes pre-installed. It's this one that I've created, and this theme is going to help us connect with the front end with React, and it's going to output all the JSON files and API that the front end needs. Anyway, let's see. It looks like we're already on localhost port 3000. Let's test it. Okay, this is our newly created site. What you see here, it's React actually, which is connected with a backend, and as you can see, it's really fast. Okay, now there are some components here that I have created. For example, in the home page, the whole home page is a component. You can skip this if you want, and you can just enter one page created from WordPress, for example, this about page, and make it your home page, or create a new home page and make it your home page, and with the content that you'll enter. For example, I just chose this component here because I like it, and you can take this component and put it anywhere you want, for example in the footer or in a sidebar if you want to create one. That's the beauty of React. You can reuse components actually. And another sample is in this contact page. This is another component. It's a form which communicates with the backend, and everything you input, it is gonna send to the admin email. Now there is no way to test it on the local host actually for the moment, and but I have tested it on live server and it works. And you can always use Postman to check your API or any software you use to check your JSON data. And now I'm gonna show you, for example, how to change the image here, to add an image here in themes. As we can see, this is our pages that we have created. There's nothing here, for example, and we're gonna use the advanced custom fields to add a field for the image here. Actually, we can set the feature image and create a component to get the image from that, but I think with the advanced custom fields it's a lot easier, and you'll see it by yourself how easy it is. Anyway, just to test it, we're going to put some content. Update it and check the about page. There you go, this is our content. Now about the image, first we go to the field group, advanced custom fields, and create a field here. Let's call it header image, and it's going to be post type equal to page, and we're going to add a rule here, post type is equal to post. So we're going to need images for both pages and posts, and let's add a field. Sorry about that. Okay, I had to answer the phone, so let's continue. The field label is gonna be header image, and the field type is gonna be image, and no instructions required. No, it's gonna be image URL. Thumbnail is okay, and I guess we're ready. Let's publish this and let's check out. This is our field here, which is ready. Now let's bring in some images. Okay, the server needs some ownership, so the WordPress can read the files. just gonna take some seconds. Let me do this for you, just a second. Sorry about that. So everybody calling me right now. And where were we? Right here. Okay. Now it should be okay. Let's get all of them. And in our blog page, this one, client, this one, this one, and here our posts, we have just one, so let's add this image, update. Let's visit our site now. So this is the home page, it's the about, the clients, the blog, and the contacts, and the post we created. The red image is this one. The styling is very easy actually, and it's all managed from React. I'm going to show you the files in a second. And also, I don't know if you noticed the speed of this thing. It reacts the same in a live server as well. So now let me show you the folders. So this is what we downloaded from the repository. We have the React folder here and the WordPress folder. The WordPress folder actually was copied inside the virtual host, so we don't need to bother with this anymore. This is a script that allowed us to install the WordPress and the React and everything. So let's open this one. And this is the components I told you about. For example, the Jumbotron component is the one that is responsible for the home page, this particular part here. And another component, it's this one, the contact. Okay, this is the component that allow us to send admin email directly from React. Okay, here I have created some custom REST API from WordPress. I'm going to show it to you in another tutorial. Right now I just wanted to show you the installation process, how easy it was, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll answer as soon as possible, and if there is enough interest, I'll make another one. So have a good day. Thank you.